Hi and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to reduce the size of an image using a native Windows tool without buying any extra tool, without uploading our image to any online website, just using a native Windows app. Now, let me show you. So we have this image here. I got it from Unsplash. And as you can see, the image is 7 megabytes. So now let me open it with Microsoft Paint. Paint is a native Windows app, so no need to buy it. And here, as you can see, we have the image. At the bottom, we can see the size of the image. It's 8,000 pixels width and 5,000 pixels height, which is too much. Now, to reduce the size of the image, we need just to go to the functions here. And there is this function here, and it's called resize and skew the image. Let me press on it. And here we have the size of the image. We can reduce it directly to 50%. And keeping this option here activated is going to maintain the aspect ratio of the image. So it's not going to change the aspect ratio of the image. And I think, yeah, that's gonna reduce it to half size. You can also here go to pixels and you can go to HD. So I'm gonna go to full HD, which is 1920, and the other one is gonna be resized with the horizontals because we are keeping the aspect ratio. So now let me press on OK. And now you can see the image now is full HD and we can see it on the screen. If I'm going to save now, pressing on this icon here. So I saved, so I moved the image from being 7 megabytes to 500 kilobytes, which is, I don't know, around, 700% less than the real size. That's it for today. See you in other video.